Hello everyone, my name is Chris and I'm a student here at CSCI. I study information systems and I program for small companies. For example, databases, login forms, and other useful programs that they may need. So today I made a proxy scraper. And for those who do not know, a proxy scraper basically will just, in a click of a button, gather over, in this example, over 5,000 proxies, unique ones, throughout the internet, which is publicly available. Proxies have many different uses. One may be able to, hackers use this for brute forcing, for example. Hackers can bypass certain security implementations in login forms. For example, after, say, 5 times of a failed attempt, that website may block your IP. But having many different proxies, the hacker won't have to worry about that security feature. Another useful thing is anonymous internet browsing. You're also able to maybe locate your IP address maybe in Brazil if the website only allows people in Brazil to access that website. And overall, it just adds an additional layer of security. So let's test this out. Let's click the button to gather our proxies, and it starts up. So as you can see, we gathered over 7,000 proxies from 3 sites in about 2-3 seconds probably. And here it is, the preview. You can see this as a text file and do what you want with it. So how this program works is I assign it many different websites, only 3 in this example, to gather proxies from their public HTML. So as we can see, for example, this website, proxydaily.com, we can see that they offer many different proxies. If we look at the source code, by right-click and view page source, we are able to see the proxies right here. Now for this website, its pattern was that a period and a semicolon will be in the line when we search for the source code. So, take a look at the code. Here it is. We look at the website, we look it up. We go to the link, and we gather its source code. And we read the source code line by line, right here. And as we read the line, if it contains a semicolon and a period, we're going to add it to a list, our proxy list. So that's how that one works. Each website is different with its patterns. One may be able, for example, have to look within certain div tags. So for example, this pattern could have been in this div all the way to another div. We can find it right here. And all we could do for that is we could take all this source code, we could substring it and get rid of all this useful information right here. So we're left with this list along with all this other stuff. And then substring it again and get rid of this junk. And left with a list. Now, there are some conflicts with this. One could be that each website is different, so it's very, very difficult to sometimes look at its pattern. Sometimes websites do not have a pattern, and sometimes websites do not offer their source code up. Like they're able to, within JavaScript and other sorts of measures, they are able to hide their proxies from proxy scrapers. And another one could have been, for example, this website. This website uploads multiple proxies. And for this website, we did something distinct. We looked at this page and we would find each link. Each link will bring us to a file, not this one, which we can see here. And we gather all these proxies according to its source code. Overall, this program makes it much easier to gather proxies throughout the internet, and you can even add more sites.